call me Bucky, niggas lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no mobiles, I'd be menacing. How about nigga rapping conscious but he ignorant?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. Sorry the videos haven't been consistent whatsoever. I kind of just gave up on looking for a shop and a garage at the moment. So hopefully within our lease few months, we're gonna be buying a house with a garage, hopefully lots of garage space, so we can start working on some car projects. Backstory: I made a GoPro mount. Now I bought a 3D printer, and I was sitting at work. Well, before I bought the 3D printer, actually, I was sitting at work and I was going to redo my exhaust on my Ram. I was going to get rid of that restricted Y pipe up in the front, and then put a resonator on because I don't like the raspiness of the straight pipe exhaust. And I started thinking, if I'm sitting at work in the shop, you know, I didn't really want a tripod sitting around. I was like, man, wouldn't it be nice if I had like my Matco spotlight where I had the magnet base and I could just stick the camera on there. Then I started thinking, and then I ended up going on Amazon and ordering a 3D printer and then designing my own mount. So here is the mount. It is already up on the website, so you can definitely buy this. I'm still working on packaging right now because I want it to look nice. But anyways, we got Gotti's Garage right there, kind of like etched in the front, and it's pretty basic. Just a GoPro mount, you know, with all the hardware and the magnets, so you can stick it on anywhere. And I guess this test really is just because I had some curiosity in some of my Facebook posts that I put on there. This mount was designed just to kind of stick up underneath the car when it's up on a lift or a hoist, or if you're working in an engine bay, you can probably stick it like on a shock tower or something like that, so you can get a better point of view. But I'm kind of curious on how strong it's gonna last. So I noticed one thing about my design: the black, you saw the GoPro 7 little case, it doesn't fit in there tight. I'm recording on the GoPro 10 right now, and the 10 fits in it really tight where it doesn't want to move. So you can tell like this one is, you know, it's all tightened down and stuff. So I'm gonna have to maybe figure that out, maybe make this just a little bit tighter. That way it's more universal. I think the 10 will probably be a little tight in there, but you can still squeeze it in there. And you know, the 7 case will actually help. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of drive around this like little parking lot right here. That way, if it falls, I'm hoping it kind of falls back in here and, you know, gets caught in here instead of falling on the ground. And if it seems to work pretty good there, we're gonna take it down some side streets. The only problem with, I live in the city, so cars and traffic and stuff, if it falls on the road, chances are it's gonna get ran over. And then I'm gonna be out of GoPro. And I don't want to do that, even though this is a cheap, you know, GoPro 7 white or silver or whatever it's called. But we're gonna go ahead and try it. Let me know what you guys think in the below. Like I said, you guys can get this at www.gottisgarage1.com. Also, if you guys are watching this because you're interested in the mount and you are a influencer like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, anything like that, go ahead and send me a DM somewhere or an email, and let's talk about just sending you one for you guys to try out, so you can show your viewers and possibly get a little bit more excitement out of this and word of mouth. All right, so we have it mounted right here. Pretty easy to see, actually. I don't know, maybe we can see the speedometer and the GoPro at the same time, which we can. So we're just gonna drive around this parking lot pretty slowly. So as of right now, we're doing like about 15. And it seems to work. It's just a lot of cars, you know, here at the moment. So let's kind of get up. 25 seems to work at 25. Kind of iffy on slamming on the brakes because I don't really want to ruin it, but let's kind of hit these bumps, you know, see what it does. 18, 20. Well, so far it seems pretty good. All right, I guess we're gonna kind of pull out on the street and hopefully everything works out pretty well. From the research that I did, there is not a GoPro mount out there that is like this. You got the suction cup mount, you got some magnet mounts, but the magnets are all big and stuff like that. So this one is designed to get in those tight spaces that you can't normally sit there and record at. All right, we're pulling out on the road now. So far far so good. We're kind of speed up a little bit. So we're doing 55 and it's holding pretty well there. Alright, we're gonna slow way down to 25 because I didn't see this old lady out here. I think that's an old lady. So far so good though. We got to 55 miles an hour, we hit some bumps and everything, and I hit the brakes pretty hard too to slow down. And it seemed to work out pretty well. As far as I don't really know where I'm at right now. It looks like we're on a dirt road. I'm gonna try to add some of this footage in here too for you guys. It's probably over while I'm talking. See how stable it is. Now remember that it is just a GoPro 7, so it's not gonna be like the 10 quality. But so far it's not too bad actually. I was kind of thinking if this one didn't work the way that I thought it would work, I was going to like build some bigger magnets inside. Like I said, I just designed this for you know, kind of just like to work on stationary, but it seems to be working pretty well. And again guys, this is designed and created by me. So let's turn back around to some bumps. Oh man, this thing is golden. Oh, of course there's a deer. I hope my GoPro caught that. I would have sucked hitting that deer. I think we got it up to like 56 or 57 miles an hour, hitting some bumps, and it is sturdy and stationary. Well, I mean, it's staying put, I should say. This thing might have worked out better than I was, you know, anticipating. It's pretty cool. So this is awesome, though. I literally just created this. I just got like the hardware and stuff for it the other day. So this is the very first testing I've ever actually done with it, besides taking it to work and putting it on the bottom of a car on the hoist, which obviously, you know, that worked out well. But this is definitely exceeding my expectations. There's 40 right there, like nothing, pretty easily. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. I think personally, I don't know what road I'm supposed to go to. Oh, that was my road. I think personally, this is a great idea. I thought it would be a great idea anyways, because like I said, if you guys have any of those Mako or Snap-on lights that have the magnets, like the puck lights, you know, and they can rotate everything just like how this GoPro does. Those work exceptionally well when you're working underneath of a car. You need lighting and stuff like that. Well, in this case, this GoPro mount works just like that, except for it doesn't have lighting. But that might be a future idea. Maybe I can add some sort of light to it. Get you that, you know, that view that everybody needs and wants. Because my main purpose on this, like I said, exactly was, say you're at work or say you have a hoist at home and you want to try to record some stuff, and it's, you know, you got the tripod, but the tripod always gets in the way. Say you're trying to drop a transmission, that tripod's gonna be, you know, you're moving back and forth and stuff, and for a GoPro anyways, you're gonna need it kind of close so you guys can, you know, so you guys can see what I'm doing. And then yeah, you're gonna trip all over the GoPro and stuff, or you're gonna have a buddy to sit there and hold the camera for you. And some of us just don't have friends that want to sit here and, you know, record you working on cars. or you gotta hold it yourself, and a lot of times that's impossible and you're missing out on footage. Well, this case, you know, you can sit there and stick it to anywhere that is magnetic, and you can start recording and do exactly what you know, get paid to do or enjoy doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this camera off. We're gonna go edit it, and I hope you guys liked this video. Give this video a thumbs up so, you know, it gets out there, because like I said, the whole purpose kind of this is word of mouth. I don't want to pay for advertising, so let's try to kind of spread it across the internet and see what people think. So if you guys want to, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I highly recommend it, because there's more videos coming. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also show you a little bit more about, you know, the mounts. Here is one that is waiting for one of you to buy. Also, a box will come like this. Probably have some sort of packaging on there like that, you know, for labels. But this is a magnetic box. Open it up, got a piece of foam. Open that up, and you got the mount, got the hardware. You know, the magnets are all in there. Sticks to the fridge. I would be cleaning them up a little bit. You can see I got some glue residue on there. I don't really know if this one's going to be sent out or not, but we'll try cleaning those up before they get sent out, because they got to look perfect. But might be some sort of logo or label, or maybe it's just gonna be a, you know, a nice black box. So don't forget to go ahead and go over to www.gottysgarage1.com, pick one up off the website, share it to your friends, show people. I mean, I think this is revolutionary, and I bet if you buy one, you guys would think it would be too, because you're getting that money shot footage. So you guys stay different, and I'll see you next time.